Experiencing eSIM problems with Mint Mobile on your iPhone or Android in 2025? You're not alone. Due to recent network upgrades and compatibility issues with iOS 18 and Android 15, many users are facing difficulties. These include activation failures, connectivity drops, and error messages like unable to complete cellular plan setup on iOS or SIM card not detected on Android. Success rates vary by device. Newer iPhones 15 Plus see about 85% success, while older models and some Androids struggle more. The root causes range from network mismatches and firmware bugs to issues with Mint's authentication process. Don't panic. Here's how to troubleshoot. First, try basic fixes. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode, and ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Next, check for OS updates and update your carrier settings. For persistent iOS issues, reset network settings through Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. On Android, clear the cache in Google Play services. If switching devices, use Mint Mobile's eSIM transfer tool. If problems persist, the QR code may need to be rescanned. If all else fails, contact Mint Mobile support via live chat. With increased AI use, resolution times for verified issues have been reduced significantly.